type like that in my computer, but that's okay. I prepared something else. I saw people making slideshows, so I too have made a slideshow for you guys. So, have you ever wanted to be a Pokemon? Because I have. So, I decided to, with some of my friends, Booby, Cassie, and Phoebe, create something that would turn people into cards. So, why did I do this? Well, we can't show you the video, but I can explain some of the thought processes behind this. The idea behind this is to help gamify tutoring. So, for example, one of the biggest problems at UBC is that Math 100 is extremely difficult, and students aren't getting the help that they need. For example, we can see from these Reddit posts, and these are just one out of a couple hundred, why Math 100 is super hard and why they're failing. And then we can see that some people also find it extremely easy and like to explain themselves and say, it's so easy. And this person might not be the best mentor, right? But some people are pretty helpful and pretty insightful. So as you can see, this person is saying, everything's gonna be okay, and they did great in Math 100. So how can we connect them? But first, let's talk about the skills and knowledge that are in demand. We can see that 7.69 needs mentorship. And then we also have the math legend Shreya, who easily understands Math 100, but is a little bit short on funds. And so I initially started with tutoring as I launched a web app in first semester and got a few paying customers, right? But what I realized is that people don't want it just for tutoring. And so I know that I started with a niche, but I saw a greater demand. So I got this guy on, and he was pretty into it. He was he's a fitness creator with a few hundred K followers, and he's complaining about how fitness creators don't have a very good platform to monetize their situation or get support. So even if they have a couple hundred K subscribers. Now we can see that I got other people to agree to be cards too. But anyways, let's move on. Yeah, people are interested. I made a couple cards for people even in this room. So they were also pretty hyped about that. And now I'd like to pass it on to Phoebe. So she can walk you through trying it out. And if you want to make a card for yourself, you're also welcome to scan the QR code.
Hello everyone, I'm Phoebe. I'm the front-end developer of this project. So this is the prototype of PokeMan. As you come to our homepage, you can see a list of, we call it sensei in our website. So they have all the different kind of skills and professions, and you can click in to their cards to easily see their summary and their reviews. So you can also book a video call or get a card. We integrate Stripe API here, so it will take you to a checkout page. And yeah, you can book a session or buy a card from them. I will not demonstrate this part. So the fun part, one of the main features for our project is that you can create your own card here. So if you scan the QR code, you come to our website, here's a form for you to fill in all the information. So I will test it out here. Let's say I'll create a girl. Say 20 years old, and her expertise is she's a singer, and you can describe yourself in some words. So I'm a great, say, K-pop singer and dancer, and then you click generate. So for here, I use the DALL-E 3 model from OpenAI to generate an image. I use the prompt based on the data that you just provided. And then your card will be generated with a really cool, well, we think it's cool, with an image that you can use for the session that you're going to use.
So that's all good, and that's a simple tutoring platform. But another problem that I noticed while I was launching web app last semester was that the tutors would get kind of demotivated, and they would kind of not be interested in, and they would actually kind of churn. So I decided to figure out a way to gamify the situation. So let's just quickly go through it because I know we're short on time. So this is a separate one, and they would level up based on their likes and comments on their profile and their ratings, right? So let's go to the arena. So what can they get? They can get a free premium account, additional card development. So what are we waiting for? Let's get in. Now these are the rules. I'm not going to go through all of them, but anyways, let's quickly choose the fire type. So I'm going to fight another tutor, and let's see what happens. All right, I think I'm going to use my rapid execution move right here, and boom. Okay, great. I got him with fire. He's going to launch a leaf at me, and it's not very effective because I'm a fire type, right? And so anyways, I finish him off, and I win. What do I win? Well, we can win, as a tutor, 4.5 marking credits for 2 hours of premium. And these are randomly generated, just how, in games, you can win chests, and you get awards, and yeah, that really gets people going, especially if this is proof of concept as in the school community. But yeah, that's it for the, wait.
Just something I wanted to add. We tried to use Couchbase. Actually, we created a database, a bucket, and collection and everything. We loaded data. We were running out of time to actually store data there and retrieve them for our demo.
Additional thing is that we have 12 users, and then we will show the video where everything is explained, but audio is not working. So yeah, we have 12 videos, and then we also made a user research by calling 2 of the users, and we also launched a TikTok platform by which we tried to attract more users, but yeah. And yeah.